Alright, hey guys, in this video I'm going to create a bot-info command. So let's get started. So for the name of this, I'm just name it, let's see, just bot size. You can name the command whatever you want. This is, and then run async, then client message args, and then we can do const embed equals new message embed, and then now let's do a few things. So let's set thumbnail. So we're gonna do why does it keep so client dot user dot display avatar URL. Then this will set the thumbnail, and make it do set title. And then for me, I just name it anything, so I'll just do bot stats, okay. And dot set color, we can do hashtag 00000. Let's just try this. This should be black. Yeah, it's black. Message dot channel dot okay dot send and embed. Boom. That's gonna give me this because it has to be in a wait. Boom. So let's shut the bot down. I don't know. Let's shut the bot down, and then boom. Hello? Oh, that's why. The bot size. I'm wondering, like. Okay. I was wondering. I had a typo. I was wondering. Okay. So then now. What can we do now? We set the color. Now we can just add fields. So we can do dot add fields, and then we can do name. Let's see. What do we want to do? Let me just get a globe. Just do this one, I guess, for now. And then we can do servers. So this can give you like the total amount of servers the bot is in. Value, if I know how to spell. And then we can do something along the lines of serving. Let's see. Client. Okay. Client. Dot guild. Dot cache. It's v12, so you have to use cache. And then serving servers. So then now if we run this, you have to use backticks when you're using value. Backticks. Okay. So then if we do mbot size, it should return cannot read cache. Oh, undefined. Oh, because it's supposed to be guilds. Sorry, it's client.guilds, not guild. Sorry about that error. And that C serving one servers, because the bot is only in one server. So you could run like a turnet right here, so that if the bot is in one server, you can change it so it states one server. I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm sure your bot's gonna be in multiple servers, so it's just fine. So it can be like 2 servers, 3 servers. So I don't really, find the use of doing it. Now let's say we can do a name, and we can do channels. So let me just get it. TV. Put a TV there, and then we do channels. New value. Serving. I think it's client. Client.channel. .cache. .size. Serving, and then do channels. And what's the issue right here? That's fine. Okay, so let's try this now. See, serving 9 channels. Bam. Now it's that simple. And then we could do serving how many users. So, I'm sorry about that. And then we can do a comma right here. We do a name. So what name do we want to do? Let me get one of these emotes. And the way I'm getting these emotes is clicking the Windows key and then the period. So we could do like a person. Yeah, Windows key and period, person. I don't know what to do, man. People, let me search for an emote. Or you can do custom emojis if you want from a server you're in. But I'll just prefer doing this. I don't know, just this, I guess. And then we can do server users. Then we can do value. And then so the value will be servant. Oops, sorry, servant client. Oh, sorry, give me 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to do something. Sorry about that. So if you do client, do cache.size. Alright, when you do this will give you back the server's users. And let's also give back ping. So let's do name. Let's look for what email do I want to look for? Web. No. It's gonna be a long video. It's not even that hard. Really don't know which emote to put in for here. Let's just find something. Man, I don't know. Oh, I should find something here. There's like no a Wi-Fi signal anywhere. There's a clog. They tell me there's no Wi-Fi signal. I swear I'm passing something. Anyways, we're just gonna do this. Alright. We're just gonna do this to get the ping because I can't find anything to fit my needs. So then we do value, and then we could just do like math. Oh no, math.round, and then we can do. I think it's client dot .ws.ping. If I'm not mistaken, I think that should do it. And then what else? What else do we want to do? I don't know. Let's just run this for now and see how this looks. Let's end it. See, it gives you back your ping. You could write MS, so you can put this in backticks, and then put this in brackets. Oh. Okay, we can just put brackets, and then we can write MS, and then that will give us it in milliseconds. You also can do the join date. So name join. I definitely am not gonna find an emoji for this. So then we can just do a value client dot user dot created. So and then and then I think that's basically it. Let me just double check this. There, join date. You can format it. I don't feel like formatting it right now. The video is already long, 10 minutes long how it is now because I'm just talking. If I could have just sped right through it, just wrote it, fast forward the video, and but I just wanted to show you guys, like talk to you guys about it, so you guys can learn or something, you know. So you guys know what you're doing basically. So I'm not just giving you code and you don't know what you're doing. So and then yeah, we also can we also can set a footer. Yeah, that's really that's really it. You guys can add some inlines. So we can do inline, and we gotta set it to true. Then we can just copy and paste this. You have to put a comma if you want to use this. Inline true, and then we can do this. And we just a ping, and then if we run this, look at the difference now. Look at the difference now. See, that's what inline does, and it looks better if it's like this. But yeah. So yes. You also, so like I said, you can do the dot set footer. Oops. You have to put it outside of this dot set footer, and then you can just do. Let's see. You can do your name, so you can put create it by. I don't know. You can just put your. Yeah, you can just do create it by, and then you can put your ID. You put your information. Or you can do this. Let's just do create it by, and then the message dot alter dot tag. And then we can just set we could just set the thumbnail. So this would show, not a thumbnail, I'm sorry. This would show like an image. So I'm going to end this right here for you guys. And then just go through this. And then see, created by, boom. That's requested by. Oh, it's not, you can just change it. But yeah. That's basically it. You can add more features. Let's see what else I can add. You can also add the CPU, since I forgot to tell you guys. So there's another package called OS. You can install it, npm OS, and then we can just do server info. Oops. Server info, and then we can just do value. Oops. Let's set the cores. And then we can just do, I think it's os.cpu. Is it CPU or CPUs? Let me see. Oh, right here, CPUs. And then dot length. So this should return the amount of Oh, sorry guys. So you gotta, I didn't import it. Console OS equals require. This video is very messy, but anyway. So then you require it. I gotta end it again because it wasn't. And then end bot size. So you can see cores 8. It's because my CPU. I'm not on the yeah. You can do the model. You can do everything. If you go to OS, if you go to OS CPU, npm OS. You'll see everything about it, RAR, and if you go to the documentation, just go to the documentation, you look at it right here, the home page, and yeah, that's basically it, right here, OS, right here. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you need help, let me know in the comments below. This is just a basic bot-info command. Yeah. And oh yeah, you can also add the uptime with OS. So os.uptime. Sorry about that. So yeah. All right. Have a good one, guys. Make sure you guys npm require OS. So yes. All right. Have a good one. And yeah.